In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect GameCert G7 SE to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The G7 SE is a controller too that is designed to be used with Xbox consoles primarily, so it is going to work on any Xbox console and also PC. To do this, you have to use the USB cable. First, you will plug one end of the USB cable into the controller. You will have to press it a lot. Many users have reported that for whatever reason you have to apply a lot of force to get it in. So if you have connected it to your Xbox console and it doesn't work, try shoving the cable in there. Don't be afraid, and then once you know for sure that this cable here is connected, you can connect the other end of the cable into either a PC or Xbox console. So find a USB port available on either of these devices, as you can see here by the diagram, and plug it in. Now, see if it works. The controller is plug and play, so as soon as you open any game, it should work right away, and of course you can use it to navigate the menus. If it is not working, first, restart the console, and remember what I mentioned earlier. Try pressing down on the cable, so really make sure that the cable has been plugged entirely into the controller. People speculate that the reason why you need to apply so much force in the cable to connect it to the controller is to make sure that it doesn't come off when you are trying to play. So it has an extremely strong grip to prevent any accidental disconnections. And then once it is properly set up, you will be able to use the controller right away. Press the Xbox button if it doesn't power on automatically, and everything will be available for you. There are macros that you can set up and various different shortcuts, but I'm not going to cover in this video. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.